get in. The bell rings and the first rates come up for us. Yes, so it's a flat start on expected lines, but individual stocks are doing well. SBI Life continues to see its run that we saw yesterday as well. It popped up in trade. Coal India is up close to around 1% or thereabouts. On the flip side, the Nifty Bank, well, that's pulled back close to around 100 points. That would mean a couple of banking names are lower. ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, both of them are a little lower in early morning trade. While in fact, you have a couple of these large IT names as well that are pulling back a little bit. Nothing too much to worry about, but Wipro as well as TCS in the red. So we're holding at around 19,550. The first tick itself did see some bit of selling coming in there, but the breadth of the market is pretty good, with 1,500 stocks advancing for 1,400 stocks that are declining.
Let's take you through some of the mid-cap movers then. GSFC has straight away opened with a cut of about 5.5%. The numbers are weak. The company's reported a revenue decline of 32%. Margins have contracted. Profits are down 80%. And like in the case of chemical companies, this fertilizer name too has opened on the back foot. Brigade is quite weak in trade, and so is Idea Forge. Remember, Idea Forge, numbers were very, very disappointing. Profits are down more than 50%, and the stock is lower by 4%. Adani Wilmar, on the back of that Bloomberg report about a possible stake sale by the Adani, parent company, Adani Wilmar is down nearly 3%. Prestige's numbers look pretty okay, but then we already have the operational update in. PB Fintech, Macquarie initiated coverage. They've got an underperformed rating, and PB Fintech is a bit subdued in trade. Oil India opening on the back foot. On the gaining side, you've got Phoenix Mills, that's higher in trade, of 50% plus top line growth. Data Patterns numbers look pretty good. The company is guiding for a 20 to 25% top line growth. Minda Corp, there was a big block deal which took place yesterday, a clean out trade, and Minda Corp has opened up in the green. EIH, Dhampur, Tilak Nagar Industries, these are some of the mid-caps which are reacting positively to their earnings. Gland Pharma is one of the other big movers. It continues with its gain from yesterday. Gland Pharma has opened up 7%. And remember, it was up nearly 20% in yesterday's trade. On the losing side, Utkar Small Finance Bank. I think it's the first time post the listing that we've got the numbers. Don't look pretty strong. But, at the index level, things are very quiet. Just down 0.07, 0.08%.
Yeah. Gland Pharma is really the stock of the morning once again for me. Its re-rating has been nothing short of breathtaking. 20% yesterday, 7-8% again this morning. Market's extremely excited and really hopes that what we've seen in Q1 is a bottom for the business. So that is straight away stock in focus. Otherwise, the problem area for the market really are banks all over again. You had that one promising day yesterday, as Nigel was pointing out, where the Bank Nifty was finally outperforming the Nifty. Today, you've gone back to the same script. Actually, for the market, there are three critical areas. One is the Nifty Bank, where there is weakness. The second is IT. IT is not off to the best of starts this morning. Look at HCL Tech, Wipro, LTI Mindtree, TCS, Infosys. All these stocks are dragging. They're not down too much, but they are down between 0.25% to 0.5%. So need to watch for IT, need to watch for banks, and then there's Reliance. So three problem areas for the bulls this morning. Let's see how each of them behave. In terms of the counters, it's actually back to, the old-fashioned safety, which is FMCG and pharma. Reddy's, Sun Pharma, these are names on the upside. Britannia is managing a bit of a gain. Nestle. So FMCG, pharma up. Banks, IT, Reliance need to watch. The Bank Nifty at 44,840. The 50 DMA, which is sort of your first next support zone, which people will talk about, that comes in closer to 44,700, 44,690, 44,700. So we're still 150 points away from that support zone. Let's see if the Nifty Bank can find some stability.